welcome to my channel. It's lovely to have you here. I have an order for some Christmas keyrings and I thought I'll just quickly pop on and show you how I make them. I'm using 28mm keyrings or split rings, charms that are all available on the website, and some open jump rings. They're just opens up, I've just done it for quickness. It's Monday and I have all the weekend orders to get out, so thank you very much if you've placed an order or found me through YouTube. This order is for the lovely Katie, and I'm using 8mm jump rings. I'll put a quick photo of how you open and close jump rings. These are enamel charms. Just making sure I've got it the right way. Real close. I'm using 8mm because these are actually strong, so I prefer to use these. I also have them available, so use what I have. Lots of Christmas orders are going out, so make sure you have your stock ready or made or get making, because people are buying, ready for Christmas. And then I take some cards, which I'm using here. This is a book. I got the book from the work. It was only £3. I make 2 holes in the top with a hole punch. Just a normal standard hole punch, not a jewellery punch. When starting out to make jewellery, just use what you have lying around at home. Then we spread through the keyring, then to a little handmade with love tag, then to the whole of the card. Turn it over. Then I use cutters to cut the elastic. But you could just use scissors if that's all you have. Then I pop them in an organza bag. There, how simple is that? I have to make 2, so I have one already made. My website is in the description below, but it's www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos available and lots more planned. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.